As we all know, this is a time of Corona as a hardship time for all us. We all are getting depression, stressed, anxiety, all these issues. To remove these all issues, there is a one solution, that is meditation. So, sit in any comfortable position, either in cross your legs, sit comfortably, straighten your back and hands on your knees, or you can sit on chair, or you can lie down on your back, hands apart and legs apart, and palm facing towards the sky. Gently close your eyes. Concentrate on your breath. Normalize your breath. Relax your whole body. Relax your mind. And follow the instructions which are said. Remove all the thoughts from your mind and try to heal your body yourself. Now take your right hand on your stomach and left hand in between your chest. Inhale up to 4 counts. Hold your breath up to 3 counts and exhale up to 4 counts. Breathe in 3, 2, 1. Hold it 2, 1. Exhale 3, 2, 1. Once again, breathe in 4, 3, 2. Hold it 3, 2. Exhale 3, 2, 1. Once again we will do. Breathe in 4, 3, 2. Hold it 1, 2. Exhale 3, 2, 1. While increasing the oxygen to your body and your brain, the blood is rushing towards your brain. While inhaling and exhaling, feel it. Your mind is getting more and more relaxed as per breathe in and exhaling. Now take your concentration between the eyebrows, Bhru Madhya or Anjana Chakra or a third eye. There are many names of this place which is located in between the eyebrows. Imagine the Omkara sign, Om, in between the eyebrows. And chant Omkara 2 times. Inhale. Once again, inhale. that Omkara is vibrating by the vibrations of Omkara, that Om sign is vibrating more and more. Imagine it on its own place that is vibrating. Now chant Omkara mentally 2 times. By chanting Omkara mentally, that Om sign which we imagine in between the eyebrows, that is brightening and shining more and more as a sun. Compare it to as a sun, that Om is vibrating more and more. Your body is relaxing more and more. As per that shininess is comparing towards your success, your achievements, your aims, goals. All things are temporary in this world. Only the path to reach the God is a meditation that is a permanent. Relax your mind, give all the tensions and stress towards your God. And relax your mind more and more. Relax your hands, legs, abdomen, your chest, lower back, upper back. Relax it. You are going more and more deep. That yellow color is observing around the Om symbol. Now take your concentration towards your body. Move your fingers of your hands and your toes. Slowly, slowly. Take your head right and left slowly, slowly 2 times. Now rub your palms vigorously and make a cup of your hands. Apply on your eyes, warmth your eyes by seeing your palms. Open your eyes slowly, slowly. Have a small smile on your face. Have a great day.